Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're zeroing in on Pikzels. It's an AI tool specifically for video creators.
Right. And we're looking at an article about it called Why Pixels is the #1 AI thumbnail tool for serious content creators.
Exactly. So our mission, really, is to figure out how this, specialized AI tries to help you get better video performance.
Well, what jumps out right away is how focused it is. It's not trying to do everything for video.
Just thumbnails and titles.
Yeah, the things people see first. The article says the AI is actually trained on, like, thumbnail aesthetics, what looks good on YouTube.
Okay, interesting. So not just random images.
No, it's supposedly learning what colors, what layouts, even facial expressions tend to make people click. You know, the stuff that grabs your eye when you're scrolling.
That makes sense. It's learning the visual language.
Yeah.
And it apparently helps even before that with video ideas.
Yeah, that's mentioned too. An AI tool for content ideation, which, if it works well,
Could save a ton of research time, right? Trying to figure out what videos to even make.
that's the claim. A potential shortcut to finding topics that might get views. And then, okay, you have the idea.
And then straight to the thumbnail.
Exactly. It says you can generate them super quick just from a text prompt. And the quality is apparently decent right off the bat.
Wow. So less time fighting with, design software.
That seems to be a big selling point. And for titles, too, you give it a short description.
And it spits out catchy options.
Yeah, and options to refine them, make them shorter, rephrase, add emphasis. AI-driven brainstorming for titles.
Okay, but what about keeping your own style? Especially if you're, a creator who's always on camera, how does it handle you?
Good question. That's where the personalization features come in. They mention something called personas.
Personas.
Yeah, you basically upload photos of yourself to train a custom AI model so it learns what you look like.
Huh. So you can easily put yourself in the thumbnails it generates consistently.
That's the idea. And there's also face swap.
Face swap, let me guess.
You got it. Swap your face onto existing thumbnail faces. Instantly makes it recognizable as your video. It's kind of clever, blending the AI speed with personal branding.
That is smart. It's not just generic AI stuff. And it can recreate thumbnails from existing videos if you just give it a link.
Apparently so. Seems really practical if you want to update old thumbnails or just keep a consistent look across your channel.
That shows they're thinking about the actual workflow, doesn't it?
It seems like it. Plus, they mention upcoming features too, like sketch to thumbnail.
Turn a drawing into a thumbnail.
And a thumbnail enhancer. So they're aiming to be like a full visual toolkit.
Okay, so the main benefits they're pushing are speed, efficiency.
Efficiency and cost savings, yeah.
Yeah.
Less time spent on the thumbnail and title means, theoretically, more time for the actual video content.
Makes sense. And the ultimate prize is more views, better performance.
That's the bottom line, according to the article, boosting performance. They even point to examples of videos using Pixels getting, hundreds of thousands or millions of views.
Right, though obviously lots of factors go into that. But it's suggestive.
Definitely. So, Pixels is positioned as this specialized AI helper for those crucial first impressions. Speed, personalization.
All aiming to help your videos cut through the noise.
Exactly.
Which, leaves us with a thought. As AI gets this good at the visual side, at optimizing thumbnails and titles, how does that change things for creators? Does the focus shift even more towards the core strategy, understanding your audience, telling great stories, while the AI handles more of this visual optimization? Something to think about.